Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about word processing. So word processing is just a software that enables you to create, edit, and delete a Word document in simple terms. So we are going to talk about features of Word document and various activities we can do with Word document. So I'm going to show you how to open this application. So you can just click on the start menu and then here it is, or you can manually search for it by typing Word, and then it will launch a blank sheet for you. So this is the interface after searching. Sorry for that. So and then you go for the blank document. So you'll be introduced to this page, and then we have various So let's talk about features of Word documents. As you can see, we can create, of which we had already done. Then we can edit in case we had a document, we can edit it, we can delete, and so on. So the purpose of word processing basically enables you to create, save, edit, format, and print documents like letters, reports, books, and essays. So I don't have to talk about much, but let's talk about the features. So we're having the main menu. So guys, we have the title bar. This area right here, which contains the minimize, the save, redo, undo, and it's basically this top line here. And then we're having the ribbon. So the ribbon is this area right here, which contains the file, home, insert, draw, design, layout, references, mailing, reviews, views, help. And then we're having the navigation pane. So guys, this is the navigation pane. Here you can actually search, you can find, yep. So it is this area right here, this is the navigation pane. So I think those are the most common features you need to know about. And